Ariana just did this long run over for 8 counts, and she collapsed on 8. At the same time, Brady gets up on 7-8 from her bed. This is her spirit now, because she's deceased. Comes over. Her hand hovers over Ariana's shoulder on 1, 2. She's using her right hand. Now she's deceived, but she feels her presence. So she's gonna look back at her on 3. She's gonna stand up on 4. She's gonna turn around on 5. And then they're both gonna present their right hand to each other on 6, and they're gonna walk right left on 7, 8. 7, 8. And Ariana walks left, right, so that's correct. Do it again at the tempo. So 5, 6, collapse, 7, 8, hover, 1, 2, look, 3, stand up, 4, 5, arms, 6, walk, 7, 8. Very good. So from here, they're gonna both put their legs together. That's 1, 2. Brady's gonna use her right hand first and wipe Ariana's tears because she's been crying because her friend just died. Wipe her tears. 3 and 4. They're gonna go for an embracive hug, so they're gonna take their arms like maybe like to a slight, like a wide first into a hug, but they're gonna miss each other during it. So they're gonna put their hands right between each other, and they're gonna step at the same time as they do that hug. So that was together. 1, 2. She wiped 3, 4. They go to hug each other. 5, 6, and they both Shanae turn 7, 8. 7, 8. Both to the right. So Brady does it to the back. 7, 8. And Ariana does it to the front. 7, 8. From here, Ariana drops her arms. 1, 2. She steps 3, 4, and then here she pauses and she just looks at her friend. Now this is when Brandy will go on to do a step. No. Okay, 7, 8. So she's gonna chasse to the back using her right leg. So it's gonna be 1, 2. She's gonna do a reverse switch arabesque deep. 3, 4. You want to demonstrate real quick for the camera? So she's gonna show you what that looks like. So 5, 6. Yeah, you just chasse for 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So she lands on 4. Very nice, pretty. 4. And from here she's gonna contract 5, 6. Pull 5, 6, and take some steps back. So maybe like 2 or 3 steps back. 5, 6, and then she's gonna run back to the hospital bed. 7, 8. There should be another blackout here. At this point, Ariana sees her. As soon as she does the leap, Ariana looks up. Because 1, 2, 3, 4. Look up. 4. Look back down. 5. She turns around. 6. She grabs some flowers that are going to be props. 7, 8. And takes off running again. So here we have another blackout. So it'll be about I think it's about 2 8 counts of a blackout. From there, Brandy is laying down. She's deceased, and we're in her funeral. Ariana's gonna come under that same sequence we did at the very, very, very top of everything. She has flowers in her hand this time, so she's doing the same sequence but reversed. So she's gonna step with the right foot. She steps right, left, and then she steps with the right to start the sequence. So she goes right arm in first. Which arm the flowers in? The flowers are in the left hand, so this hand stays in the fist. So with the right foot in front, left leg out in front and behind you. So you go left, right. This is first position. The right arm continues to go up to the 5th. You're gonna look on 6, and then she's gonna come together. 7, 8 in a small contraction, small demi-plie with the head slightly facing down. She's gonna do the same thing again and step towards the casket or the bed at this point. Same thing, right foot go, and then you do left arm, right arm to first, right arm to 5th. Look to the left at the casket now. And if she comes together this time for 7, 8, she's gonna place the flowers right on her friend. It'll be a bed for her friend to be laying down. 7, 8. From here, she's gonna walk to. She's gonna turn around and walk to another, probably a chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry. She walks. Walks 1, 2, 3, 4. She sits in the chair. 5, 6. She contracts down. 7, up 8, and looks at the casket on 1. And that's the completion of the dance, but we're going to show you that tempo really quick. So we did 2 8 counts of black, 2 counts of blackout, 2 8 counts of blackout. So Ariana's here. She has the flowers in her hand, and she's going to take the first 2 steps. So 5, 6, walk. 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 together. 7, 8, walk. 1, 2, 3, arm, 4, look, 5, 6, place flowers, 7, 8, walk to the chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, sit 5, 6, release 7, up 8, look 1. And that is the entire